Hey guys, welcome back to the Easy Oil channel. Yeah, today I will changing the PCV valve. Well, the reason I do that because after the last oil change, so it's about have about 5,000 miles on the oil. When I pull a dipstick before the oil change, it show about more than a 1 quart low on the oil. So I look for the leaks. I cannot find leaks externally around the engine. So my next guess is the PCV valve. Once I pull it out, it looked like this. Yeah, pretty much the holes on the bottom is got plugged it. So it pretty much have a no flow or no suction. Back to the crankcase, which is the oil pan. So it probably somehow the PCV system's not 100% working because this is this side's blocked. So it somehow got pushed all the oil to another side. So I'll replace that one also. This one's just a strict pipe. It's just like a piece of pipe. Well, they call it a bleeder tube. So that's what I'm going to do today. Oh, please subscribe and then share the video. And let's go to work. So I read online, you have a PCV line problem. So one is per bank, one on this bank and one on that bank. Let's remove the beauty cover to see where the PCV valve located at. Put the oil cap back on. Alright. So one is here. That's easy to get, nice. Another one's on the back. Right here, that one. Right here. Alright, so that one should be easy. Oh, what to do. I need to take this out to get more access to the PCV line here. So I can pull the red tab, one at the top, one at the bottom. After I squeeze it out, do the bottom first and then now do the top. Alright, so now just pull out the whole piece. Alright, that one's out. And now you can disconnect the hose. Yeah, it's hard to see, but what I did is I used the hook doing the bottom, get it feel and push it down so it cut one way. So hold it by hand on this end, and then here's just pry up and yank it out. Alright, so I turn this hose I don't know, kind of pull it up, and then until this piece of plastic get out from the intake manifold, like this, and then using the finger push on the back, it should separate. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, got it. Yeah, here's the PCV hose, and then it's in this position. So on the bottom, you have this hook right here. I push it up, and then push sideways. You push it up and push it that way, and then it disconnected from this ring of the of this like a PCV valve. So now I need to like clean up all the gunk here before I pull it out. I don't know, maybe you need to use a plier to do that. Here's the replacement part. I'm going to try to use like a needle nose vice grip. I got it. Whoa, ho, ho. Maybe that's why it's burning oil. It's all gunked up. Yep, no, that's why it's burning oil. I don't see holes. And no noise inside. Alright. Alright, let's get the new one. You know what? I need to go online and maybe like yeah, look at that. It's all black. Okay. Let me look online. Did they have like a part difference? Okay. Yeah, that one's like done. That's why the engine burning oil. Yeah, because like I don't know which size size is like a foul side, which is like is a clean side. I know if the flow is not balanced between two banks at the positive crankcase pressure, it'll push oil back to the intake. Yeah, that's the old valve. That's the new valve. Yep, pretty much the old one you cannot see the holes on the bottom. Oops. The top still open. I read online they say like you should drill out the top holes to 764 and the bottom two to like 564. I'm going to do that, so hope it can flow better. It won't clog up the hole. Alright, use like a blue sharp towel protect the new PC valve. When I cram it down, just need to be snug. You don't want to be a whole lot. And this is like a 564 drill bit. Yeah, that definitely is enough. 564. And now I'm going to use a 764 right here, this one. Here's the bit. Alright, so now I can use a brake cleaner to flush out all the metal shaving. Alright, and then can you hit it with some sharp air? Right, I think that, alright, ready to install. Alright, let's see if I can just push it back in by hand. Wow, not really. Alright. Maybe hit it with put a small socket on top. What's this size? 11mm dip socket. Put on top. Maybe I can somehow hammer it down, I guess. Maybe. Alright, let's find a small hammer. Alright, fix in. Yep, it is in there. Okay. Alright. Now I need to install this tube back. Let's see. I think this end go in first, I believe. Okay, and then maybe do a twist, do a turn, and then I hear a click, and try to pull. That one's tight. That one's tight. Okay, it's good. So now I need to install. This bigger line. Yeah, right here. Push it in. And I have like a two-piece, like this, like a, I don't know, U piece of plastic. So push it in. And then the red piece. I think that's it. I get the tough one out. I replace the one on the back. Take care of the one in the front. Right here. That one should be pretty straightforward. This piece should, yep, just slide right out. And here is like, I think, turn clockwise. Okay, got it. Wow, there's a lot of oil there. There's a lot of oil. Alright, it's okay. I got a new one. Yep, here's the new one. Yeah, I use a GM part. Here's the number. If it lasts the vehicle that long, 130,000 miles, it should be good, right? So both of them look exactly identical. Should be just plug and play. Yeah. There you go. Alright, that's how you replace like the PCV valves. One here, one there. I think that's the problem. It's totally plugged, so it pretty much like somehow you cannot hold the crankcase pressure slightly negative in the oil pan. It just keep pushing out, and then from I think there's a valve foul side, the dirty side coming out here. It's like it press all the like oil, gas, vapor, and then back to the induction tube and suck it back into the intake manifold and burn it. Now should be better. I will keep monitoring the oil level. Thank you for watching, guys. Well, and don't forget, put on the beauty cover. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you for all the support. Alright, take it easy. Bye bye.